Hello YouTube, this is XXDJ Pro XX, and in this tutorial I'm going to show how to make a cool looking banner like this. And also I have got some requests how to make this cool text effect, which I will be showing you. So yeah, so make a new file, right? Take down these settings, so width 1358 pixels and the height 226 pixels, resolution 72 inches, and make sure it's transparent, and OK. Now you should get something like this. Get the rectangle tool and just drag it across. Now we're gonna edit it down here, so it's 1 3 5 8 2 6 0 and 0. Okay, so something like that, and then go down to the styles and go to dark chrome styles and pick over this one, or you pick this one here, and then just make the outline a bit big, put it on inside. Okay, now that you got that, I'm gonna add text, so add a text. Okay, I'm just going to make it big. Okay, so what I already have here is a preset, so that's how it should look like. And if you want to make it, right, just copy these settings here. So Photoshop Live Effect, bevel and emboss, make the style in the bevel, technique smooth, direction up, right, depth 50, size 7, soften 7, right, highlight screen, shadow multiply, white black 75% each, angle 120, OK. Then for the inner shadow, right, make it 20 and make this colour B2 B2 B2, as you can see up there. As you can see up here, B2 B2. Right, make the opacity 29%, softness 0, and then the angle 270. Okay, and then put the hue saturation to any colour you like. So make sure you have this colorize button ticked. Make this saturation up and pick whichever colour you like. I'm just going to stick with blue. Drop shadow, make it distance 2, make it blue, so 330033 cc or any other colour. And opacity 89%, softness 6%, 6, and then the angle 311 degrees. Right? And then just add a glow, make it pink, and then just exit, make it X, and there you go. So that's how to make that effect. Oh, also add outline, make it grey. So yeah, and the for those little cracks bit inside, make sure you have the font 28 days later, so it would work. Okay. So now that you got that, we're gonna add a couple text, so just copy this, paste it, add like a slogan or website. So okay, if you get that, just click on the save that style as a preset. Right, so yeah, just save it, blah blah, it's preset, and then just use it. I'm gonna change that. Okay, So add any text that you like. Copy, paste. You can copy your arrows or where I could put it. I'm just doing something really basic here, so yeah. Okay, now that you got that, we're gonna get the ellipse tool, make a circle. Right, small enough to fit in that. Okay, I'm just gonna make it a solid. Okay, take this off. Back. Okay, so now that you got that, just add a inner shadow. Right. Change it to any colour you like. And I'll copy paste. Turn that inner shadow off. Add any line that you like. Something like that. And you could make that outline white or grey or blue or whatever. So now that you got that, I'm just gonna duplicate this one again, right, and then choose this one. Take the outline off, favorite, and change it to screen. So you get like a nice glossy effect. Okay, now you're gonna add your text. So you could add the initials, or I'm just gonna add my initials. Right. Yet again, you could use that same style. So, there we go. So that's just the basic. Now we're gonna get the rectangle tool. Make a long rectangle, thin or big as you. So I'm just gonna drag it. Then I'm gonna hit Control T to transform it, and then just hold Shift and drag it around like that. And place this at the back, behind the text. Copy it, paste, and just drag it to the other side. Now you can change the colours of these. You can do it two ways. You can change it from here. Right. So which is what I'm going to do. I could use the hue saturation from here. Just colour in hue saturation. I think it looks better like this. Okay. So yeah. Now we're going to add one more thing to it. It's like that curve effect that goes around here. As you can see, that. There we go. So what you're going to do is go to the shape tools, and then look for the chamfer rectangle, and then make it quite big. So like that. Make it screen. And there you go. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you liked this tutorial and hope it helped a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and also check out my channel and my site. Any requests that you need. So thanks for watching.